guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing this look right here, inspired by Valentine's Day. Yes, it is the one holiday where either you really love it or you really hate it. There is no in between. So if you are going out well, you shouldn't be going out. Well, if you're going to be, hanging out with a significant other, or if you don't have a significant other and you want to look good while being single anyways, then this makeup look is for you. If you want to know how I got this makeup look, then please keep on watching.
Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, I can't live without you.
To start off this look, I'm going to use the 35XO Morphe palette, and the first color I'm going to use is called Love Story. And I'm just going to place it in my inner corner and blend it outward towards my outer V.
Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, I can't breathe without your love.
Now I'm going to take my Dose of Color Concealer in the shade 05 Fair. And this is how I'm going to start that cut crease. So I'm just going to place a little bit on my inner corner and on my lid. And I'm going to look up towards the ceiling and around so I have a guide of where exactly that concealer should end and just fill it in. And the next color I'm going to be using is called Come Here Often, and basically with this shade I'm just going to tap it in lightly into that concealer to set it. The next shade I'm going to be using is called Talk Feelings. And with this shade, I'm basically going to tap it in where the color Come Here Often ends, so we can have a seamless blend going from Come Here Often to the color Love Story. So now I'm going to take a bit of Scotch tape and place it on the back of my hand to remove a bit of that stickiness from it. And basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply it to the outer corner of my eye so we can make our eyeshadow right there nice and sharp. Going back into that color Love Story, I'm just going to go ahead and further blend it into the color Talk Feelings. And with that duct tape, it's going to make it really nice and sharp. Now I'm just going to peel that tape off, and I'm going to be using the Il Makiage liquid eyeliner to do a wing. I know I never film it because it takes forever for me to do, but this is what the final result looks like. I think it came out really nice and I love this look. And the lashes are by Lily Lashes in the style Brooklyn. To prime my face, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Cosmetics Jelly Pop Primer, and I'm just going to apply it everywhere. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using the Il Makiage Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation. It's the shade 040, and I must say it is not a match. You can see from my face. It doesn't match at all. I mean, it's almost there, but it's a bit too yellow for me. But I took their quiz, and this is the shade that they gave me. I will be returning it. One thing I will say is that it has amazing coverage. My pimples, gone. For concealer, I'm going to go back in with the Dose of Colors concealer in the shade 05 Fair. And I'm just going to apply it where I always do, under my eyes, on my nose, on my forehead, and on my chin. For setting powder, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder in the color Butter. Now, this powder is amazing. It smells so good. It's so soft. Highly recommend everyone buy this. Now today I am going to be doing a bit of contour, and I'm going to be using the KVD Vegan Beauty Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to be using the lightest contour shade. For blush, I'm going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics We're Going Shopping blush just to add a bit of color to my cheeks, not too much, just pat it on very lightly. Going back into the Morphe palette, I'm going to be dipping into the shade +1, and I'm going to apply it to my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take the shade Eye Contact and just use it to blend out that color +1 on my lower lash line. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Eyelash Sensation Mascara. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the 3 Tribe Highlighter Volume 3 by Juvia's Place and applying it to the highest points of my face. For lips, I'm going to be using the MAC Cosmetics Love Me lipstick in the shade As If I Care. I love this shade. It goes really well with this eye look, very monochromatic.
So that is today's video, guys. So just to summarize everything, especially about the Il Makiage foundation, it's an okay foundation. I didn't love the color because it really didn't match me too well. It's a little too yellow, and it's kind of breaking down right here along my mouth. Let me see if I can show you guys. Well, if you can't see it, it's breaking down, and I've only had it on for like maybe an hour. Do I recommend it? I mean, not really. I mean, there's other foundations you can really buy for much cheaper, like the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Great foundation, one of my favorites, matches me, and it's also really good. So those are my 2 cents that no one absolutely asked for, but I'm giving it anyways. So yeah, that is today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button so you don't miss a video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys!